This program provides an overview of Reduced Vertical Separation Minimum, or RVSM, the unique maintenance requirements for RVSM qualified aircraft, and the documents which govern the maintenance. The Reduced Vertical Separation Minimum program is designed to increase usable airspace by reducing vertical separation between aircraft in flight. Full RVSM reduces the previously established 2,000-foot separation requirements to 1,000 feet at altitudes between 29,000 and 41,000 feet. In recent years, technological innovations such as global positioning systems and satellite navigation have allowed for reduced horizontal separation. With continued advances in aircraft altimetry and airspeed systems, the reduction in vertical separation is now not only possible but highly practical. Since its introduction in March 1997 in the North Atlantic region, the RVSM program has been very successful and is destined for expansion. It provides airlines with increased operating capacity and improved operating efficiency. These benefits come at minimal cost and provide significant operational and economic benefits. The RVSM qualification process is governed by the FAA. Both aircraft manufacturers and operators must demonstrate strict compliance with the FAA's RVSM regulations. The RVSM program is dependent on the accuracy of altitude and airspeed systems and equipment. Because of this, there are some specific and very critical maintenance requirements for RVSM aircraft. Aircraft equipment and sensors related to RVSM and the external skin adjacent to these sensors must be properly maintained. The skin adjacent to the pitot and static sensors is considered to be an extra critical area because any interruption to skin smoothness here could result in a loss of accuracy in the altimetry system. The dimensions of these extra critical skin areas differ from fleet to fleet. In addition, each fleet may have different levels of criticality, such as critical and extra-critical skin areas. It is very important to refer to the appropriate Structural Repair Manual, or SRM, before starting an inspection or repair in the vicinity of a pitot or static sensor. The SRM for each fleet will provide a clear definition of the critical area as well as the aerodynamic smoothness requirements. Here is an illustration from the Structural Repair Manual of some of the extra-critical skin areas on a Boeing 777. The extra-critical skin areas are clearly defined for center, left, and right system static pressure ports. The shaded area shown here on the fuselage reflects those dimensions. Here are the center, left, and right system static pressure ports. As you can see, there is a significant amount of surface within the extra-critical skin area. Examples of what may affect aerodynamic smoothness include dents, scratches, lightning strikes, skin repairs, and protruding head fasteners. Paint-related problems such as peeling paint and paint runs can also affect skin smoothness. It is very important that all problems with skin smoothness be immediately detected and corrected in accordance with the appropriate SRM. When working around pitot tubes or static ports, be sure they are properly protected from contamination. After work is completed, be sure to remove all protective coverings. All repairs within an extra-critical skin area are to be considered as major repairs. This requirement is documented in the Required Inspection Item List in the Administrative Operating Procedures AOP 2-1-5 and the Maintenance Operating Procedures MOP Section 2-0-3-10. Skin waviness measurements of an extracritical skin area may be required if a visual inspection finds irregularity or distortion of the surface within the area. Refer to the appropriate SRM for measurement criteria. Skin measurement is always required following a repair in the extracritical skin area. The aircraft cannot be dispatched as RVSM compliant until the requirements noted in the SRM have been completed. Any questions regarding these requirements should be addressed to SAMC. It may be necessary to remove an aircraft from RVSM status until repairs have been completed. This requirement is an element of United's operations specification and, as such, may not be revised without the approval of the FAA Certificate Management Office, or CMO, and the Chief Inspector. In addition to the Fleet Structural Repair Manuals, maintenance requirements for RVSM are also detailed in the Administrative Operating Procedures, AOP 3-1-15 and 2-1-5, and the Maintenance Operations Manual, MOP 2-0-1-24 and 2-0-3-10. Also, aircraft maintenance manuals for each fleet document the maintenance requirement for quick disconnect pitot-static fittings. An inspection or leak check is required each time one or more of these connections is disturbed. Remember, RVSM maintenance information and requirements will differ from fleet to fleet. It is essential to refer to and comply with the appropriate fleet-specific maintenance documents. RVSM is an important part of United's future, and compliance with all RVSM requirements is essential to the program's success. If you have any questions regarding these requirements, refer to the appropriate maintenance documents, notify your immediate supervisor, or contact SAMC.